Hey guys, happy Monday. Hope you had a great weekend. Here's our science lesson of the day. This video is going to help explain anything, especially if you missed live class today. Please watch this video. You can see what's going on with what we did today. First, our do now. I want you to look at these two models, these two zoom-ins below, and write me a sentence or two about what is wrong with them. I purposefully kind of messed up these models, so I want you to look at them carefully. Go, oh, that's what the problem is, and type it in for me, okay? It could be one or two sentences. Today I'm going to talk real quickly about the learning target. I want you to meet a new scientist of the day. I'm going to go over what the breakout room experience was, and I'll go over quickly what the independent work is. So remember, our standard that we're working on is using a model that predicts particle motion. That means like its speed and its spacing, the temperature and the state of matter when thermal energy is added or removed. Today, we're going to be able to explain why a red liquid in the thermometer, if you ever used one of those old school thermometers where the liquid goes up and down, like in the picture here, why does it go up when it's heated and down when it's cooled? Why does a thermometer work this way? That's what we're going to try to answer today. This is Antonia Novella or Novella. I actually don't know how Novello or Novello. Don't know how she says her name. She's still alive. You might be doing the math in your mind. How old is she right now? She was born in Puerto Rico. When she was born, she had a really painful disease called congenital megacolon, which means her colon, her large intestine, was really big and pushing on her other organs and painful. And you can fix this. You can get surgery to fix this, but she didn't until she was 18. She wasn't able to get the surgery, and that inspired her to become a doctor because she's like, other people shouldn't have to go through this crap to like have this terrible disease that you could fix, but not have a doctor to help you get it done. So she became a doctor, and then fast forward well in the future, in 1990, when I was a baby, I was like 5, I was in kindergarten. She was the first woman and the first Latinx U.S. Surgeon General. That's like the top doctor in the nation. They tend to, it's a political position, but they tend to take on certain issues and stuff. So she worked on health of women and children and minority groups. She really pushed their causes when she was the Surgeon General, which is really cool. And there she does like her official Surgeon General photo. Okay, in breakout rooms, you're going to open this, and I'll just do this with you. Oh, there we go. Open this up, and we're looking at moving the slider back and being able to describe these two questions. What happens to water particles when we remove thermal energy? What happens when we add thermal energy? So this means adding thermal energy means heating them, removing thermal energy means taking it away. I want you to tell me about the speed of the particles. I want you to tell me about their spacing. I want you to tell me about how they're attracted to other particles. Maybe you want to tell me about its state. Will it ever change state to a different one? I want you to describe them for both adding and removing thermal energy, please. That's it. Your independent work. You actually have 2 Google Forms. There's the liquids and thermometers. That was like about our learning target about thermometers. Then you have one that's a little bit different about gases. So I want you to take both, please. Work your way through both. These are the work and quiz things where you can do the work and then take the quiz while you're working. This one we'll talk more about. Actually, we'll talk more about both of these on Tuesday. Your do now will have to do with thermometers, and then your group breakout rooms will talk a little bit more about gas particles. So do your best here, and just know that when you come to live class tomorrow, you'll have an opportunity to talk about it with other people. So try to come to live class tomorrow. Thank you. That's it. I'll see you guys later.